Emerald, give us a squeaky ball. Emerald. Oh, there it is. Now what do you have? Is it a dead animal? Is that what you have? Oh, God. What is it you have now? It's dead, isn't it? Emerald, give it to us. Emerald, give it to your mama. Oh, my God. Emerald, what is it? Emerald. Emerald, come here. Well, she didn't want Squeaky Ball anymore because she found something funnier or better. Give me that. Hey, what is that? I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a squirrel or something. I don't know. It looks flat, like maybe somebody ran it over. Emerald! Oh my God, what is it? What are you rolling around in? Somebody found somebody was a piece of crap and cut off some deer antlers out here and threw the deer where I could get it, or not I could get it, but my dog could get it. Emerald, come here. I don't know what she has. Emerald, get over here. What is it? Emerald. Emerald, come here. Emerald. Emerald. I'm trying to see what she's got. Ah! It's like a freaking rodent. Oh my God, what is it? What is it? It's like a big old rat or something. Oh my God, what do you have? Emerald! Come here. Emerald, get over here. Nevaeh, I don't have time to play Squeaky Ball. I'm trying to see. Emerald! Give me that. Give that to me. Give it to me. Nevaeh, come here and get Squeaky Ball. I got to see what this nasty ass has. Emerald! What is it? What is it? Emerald, you're not bringing that in my car. Oh my God. What the fuck is it? Leave it alone. It's a freaking squirrel. You gross ass. You freaking gross ass dog.